Yo, what's up, family? What's up, friends? OG Larry here, coming at you with a move that you might be able to make with me and get some of this money. With that being said, this is not financial advice. If you need financial advice, consult with your local broker or somebody in your area on financial matters, because with investing and trading carries risk, and you don't want to trade with money you can't afford to lose. With that being said, let's make some money today. I got Coreweave up, ticker symbol CRWV. We're in pre-market right now. Coreweave is up to 84.39. It was as high is 84.85. So what I'm looking for is for Coreweave to get over 85. Coreweave get over this 85 area right here. Then I'm gonna look for the next leg up to 88, 90, and potentially 95. We got the upward momentum Friday with this bullish engulfing candle that made me revisit this stock this morning for a potential play. Now I got this small account hustle going on with my small account players. So this is a contract that's going to be affordable. You can get 1 week or 2 weeks out to put some safety or put some cushion under you, but get ready to ride this on upside. If it breaks out over 85 and gets through 87.50, of course, I'm going to be looking for 90 to $94 area. So I'll be putting 85 call that expires 12/26. 12/26/85C was what I'll be playing on Coreweave if we can break above 85 and hold. So put this on your radar. It's just a quick video because of this bullish engulfing candle. We got PCE coming out at 10. So at 10 p.m., 10 a.m. Eastern, PCE comes out, and I have a feeling this is going to be the catalyst that jumps off this Santa rally. So get ready to make some money, and I'll be giving up updates, even if I have to give daily updates. But I'll give updates even intraday if I need to keep you guys in the money, keep you guys on point where I'm getting in, where I'm getting up, and where I'm getting out, and with a market recap at the end of the day. So my small account hustlers, let's get ready to get to this money. Coreweave, CRWV, $85 call over 85, or you can reach out to the $90 call. So cheaper, $90 cheaper. If we get that momentum, you get in there on that $90 call and ride the wave, set a tight stop loss, and be ready to get this money. And I'll talk to you a little bit later. Peace.